Alright, now in Premiere Pro, I just added a clip to my timeline, and I'm going to show you guys two ways to crop it. The first way is to go over to the Effects panel and type Crop into the search box. Then drag the crop effect onto your clip. Now with your clip selected, go over to Effect Controls where you'll see your crop effect settings. With this, just drag any of these directions to the side to increase the amount that's cropped. Okay, this works, but let's undo this so I can show you how to animate the crop. First off, just click the stopwatch next to the direction you want to crop. Then move the playhead to where you want the crop animation to be completed by. And finally, increase the amount of the crop to your liking. Okay, and there's my animation. Next, to show you the second way to crop, we won't need this crop effect. Instead, find Opacity in Effect Controls, where you'll see the Freeform Pen tool. I also recommend zooming out of your preview to about 10%. And click just outside your video to create 4 points, making a rectangle. Now what's cool about this is it gives you the freedom to crop at any angle, so I could create a diagonal crop here that I couldn't do with the standard tool. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.